Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you a secret. I'm going to tell you about 3 gems. Yes. So, the 3 gems are hard work, perseverance and determination. If you have these 3, then you can transform your fate, and if you have any difficulties, you can surmount those difficulties. I have a very interesting and true story which will tell you how a poor boy changed his fate with the help of these 3 gems. So stay connected and do watch the video till the end, and do press the like and subscribe button to get more such interesting stories.
I am Makiriti, student of Ayesha's English Academy. Hello children, now I am going to tell you one small story. Once upon a time, a boy Raju was living with his parents in a small town. His father had been working in a small jewelry shop as a jewelry maker. Unfortunately, his father had died at his young age. At that time, Raju was 12 years old. Then, his mother started working as a housemaid for less amount of money. Raju asked his mother, "Mother, I want to go for work to help you." But mother told that, "No Raju, no need. You should go to school, study well and get a good job. Till that time I will work for you. No problem." Then Raju said okay, but Raju was not satisfied with that, as his mother was working vigorously and there was no help from their relatives or friends. After a few days, again he asked his mother and got permission from her and joined in the same jewelry shop where his father had worked. He was brilliant. He got experience within a short period. Then he was not satisfied with the work and came to her mother, asked her mother, "I want to work on my own. But for that I need some money, what can I do?" Then mother replied that, "Wait Raju, we think about it. Continue your job." His mother had much confidence on him and she is having only one gold chain with her, which was the memory of her husband. One day she called Raju and said that, "Raju, take my gold chain and start the business." Raju felt happy and took the chain to the shop where he was working, and he made one earrings with that gold, and he took them to the city for sale. There in the city he went to so many shops to sell the earrings, but no one had purchased the earrings, as he was young of 15 to 16 years old and also doubted that whether they are really owned by him or stolen somewhere else. Till the evening he had roamed everywhere, not even taking food. Finally, he sold it in a small showroom. The shop owner had taken all the details of Raju and bought the earrings and told that, "Raju, whenever you make new one, come to me." He bought only because to encourage the boy, as he had observed sincerity and hardworking nature of Raju. Raju returned back to home and explained his mother. Like that, he started his new life by making ornaments and selling them into the same shop in the city. With the help of the owner and his hard work, he had earned some money and stopped his mother to go for work. Then, as usual, Raju went to city to sell the ornaments. Suddenly, there Raju came to know that the shop was in financial crisis and kept the showroom for sale. The shop was in loss status and nobody had come forward to purchase the showroom. And the owner was not interested to sell the shop for wrong persons. The owner asked Raju, "Why don't you purchase the showroom?" Raju said that, "Sir, I didn't have that much amount of money," but Raju wants to help him. He returned back to home and inquired about bank loans and sold out all his small properties and bought the showroom. Really, the showroom was in loss position. Even though he bought the showroom, only thing is, the owner had helped him when he was in trouble and need. Now he owed his gratitude to the owner. Then he started business by taking suggestions from owner and his hard work. Everyone had laughed at Raju, even though he didn't lose his confidence and worked hard. Then he developed the business and got goodwill from others who laughed at him. Then he started branches of the showroom in different areas in the city. Later he expanded his business to other states also. The moral of the story is hardship often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. So children, we have to work hard with confidence. Through this we will make impossible thing to possible. So thank you children. Good luck.